It's Canadian Homebrew Day, the first annual Canadian Homebrew Day. To celebrate, we're at Alberta Craft Beer Festivals, or AB Beer Fest, here in Edmonton at the Expo Center. It's hot out here. It's kind of smoky. We need a beer. Let's get inside. So, for the opinion of somebody who walked into the brewing world but didn't have a homebrew background, tell us how homebrew affects your daily job. What's the Prairie Brewing Company story?
Three of us started it. Homebrew guys that kind of kept perfecting and getting a good response from friends and family. Kind of grew into more than what it was supposed to be, and it ended up where it is today. So, small town out of Three Hills. We use our own grain that we farm and have malted at Red Shed locally in all our brews. Try to keep it as local and small town as we can.
That is exactly what I want to hear. Thanks very much. Cheers. And keep doing what you're doing. Cheers. Cheers.